काव प्रोडक्शंस प्रेजेंट्स।
अबे काव वाला पैसा नहीं गले अभी का गोबर रही काम चढ़े पड़ेगा
है सत्य की। देन गोबर प्रोडक्शंस प्रेजेंट्स
The told love story of the random students and the random authorities of a random university। ये कहानी है 100 साल पहले की, जब एक कॉलेज था FX कॉलेज। किसी और कॉलेज की तरह इस कॉलेज के अपने मुद्दे थे। इन्हीं मुद्दों के चलते हुआ एक मेगा स्ट्राइक जो चला कुछ महीनों तक, और इसी स्ट्राइक के वजह से वो FX कॉलेज इंटीग्रेट होके FY यूनिवर्सिटी बन गया। स्ट्राइक के दौरान कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट्स ने अपनी मांगों का एक एजेंडा बना के अथॉरिटीज के सामने प्रस्तुत किया था। इस एजेंडा को ध्यान में रख के यूनिवर्सिटी के अथॉरिटीज ने नए एकेडमिक रूल्स बनाए, और वही रूल्स 100 साल तक चलते गए। 100 साल एक बहुत लंबा समय होता है, और इतने समय में क्या क्या नहीं बदल जाता। समय बदला, स्टूडेंट्स बदले, यूं कहो तो सब बदल गया, पर इस यूनिवर्सिटी के रूल्स नहीं बदले। लेकिन बदलाव तो जरूरी था, और इसी जरूरत को पूरा करने के लिए 100 साल बाद उस यूनिवर्सिटी के स्टूडेंट्स ने फिर से एक स्ट्राइक किया।
आप लोग को पता है कि हम लोग ये स्ट्राइक क्यों कर रहे हैं? इसका मकसद क्या है? इसका मकसद है हमारे कॉलेज, हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी का डिक्टेटरशिप खत्म करना। ये यूनिवर्सिटी एक यूनिटरी यूनिवर्सिटी है जो कि ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स एंड फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स है। तो क्यों हमें मार्क के लिए तड़पाया जाता है? क्यों हमें कुत्तों के जैसा ट्रीट किया जाता है? क्यों हमें कुल्हा और हो ही नहीं हो हॉस्टल को, जो कि जिसका फाउंडेशन एकदम बेकार है, वहां पर भेजा जाता है? क्यों यहाँ पे डिक्टेटरशिप चल रहा है?
और लड़कियों, तुम्हें तो पता ही है हमारे साथ क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है। एक तो ये इन टाइम का प्रॉब्लम, 8 से सीधा 6:30, 6:30 तक इंसान करेगा क्या? क्या उखाड़ क्या लेगा वो? और फिर ये हो ही नहीं हॉस्टल में जहाँ हमें भेजे, जहाँ किसी है ही नहीं। वाओ, ओ माय गॉड, मतलब कौन वहां रह सकता है? कभी सोचा ना, खुद रह के दिखाए फिर वो जाने।
और कुल्हा हॉस्टल, उसमें सिर्फ 3 वॉशरूम्स है। कैसे जाएंगे वो स्टूडेंट्स? कैसे अपना सैनिटेशन मेंटेन करेंगे? ये सब हमारे प्रॉब्लम्स है जो कि अथॉरिटी को समझना चाहिए
और समझना पड़ेगा।
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही बात है, सही बात है, समझना पड़ेगा।
तो हमारी मांगे पूरी करो, हमारी मांगे
पूरी करो।
WC
हाजिर हो,
WC
हाजिर हो,
WC।
तो ये आपने देखा कि यूनिवर्सिटी के स्टूडेंट्स कैसे अपनी मांगों पे अड़े हुए हैं, और उनकी मांगे नाजायज भी तो नहीं। रहने के लिए सुरक्षित हॉस्टल्स, नहाने पीने का पानी, एक इंसान की ये मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट्स होती हैं। पेपर इवैल्यूएशन में अथॉरिटीज की मनमानी करना, अपने ही यूनिवर्सिटी को बाहर रिप्रेजेंट करने पे कोई बढ़ावा ना मिलना, कौन सहता है ये सब? तो चलिए देखते हैं कि इस स्ट्राइक के बाद यूनिवर्सिटी के बोर्ड ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का क्या कहना है।
Sir, good afternoon, respected Vice Chancellor, sir. Sir, today's agenda of the strike that the students did, sir, immediate insertion of blah blah blah, blah 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 blah, some IIT, NIT blah, then well-established procedure for blah 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 blah, some academic examination, then remedial classes something, then single window facility blah blah, then some back, lots of back, some blah blah. They were doing agenda, today's strikes agenda.
Those fellows, they don't know who I am. I am WC. I have been to 220 universities. How many? 220, sir. Yes, 220. I have visited all the IITs. Except that, what is your IIT? What is your IIT? IIT Bolangir. That I have not visited. Good idea, sir. Now, I have seen many strikes like this. This is a small one, chinnari. Now I know how to handle this.
Sir, you do not understand, sir. These students, they do this every time, every day. Sir, they do not study. Only Lungura Gamma they do in the college, and then they get back, and then they do strike. Strike, class bond, college bond, everything bond. At TSW, sir, you explain.
Yes, he's correct. AK sir is very correct. Always doing strike. And sir, everything Moho Maya for them. Moho Maya, God is there, Bhagwan is there. But still they don't understand. They always do different clubs, in canteen. Sir, AK sir is very correct. And you can see, sir, many permission. In time, permission for this, permission for that, permission for... Sir, what can I do, sir?
This is a college, sir, not a cultural club mera going on over here. This is not the way you behave in college. Sir, you understand or not, sir, what I'm saying?
Yes.
Madam, where is that student representative fellow? Where is he?
Sir, he is here only. Some from Chattu Hall of Residence. Hey, sit.
Yeah, yes.
Sir,
What you want to say?
good evening, sir. Sir, I am from Chattola President.
Hey, don't worry. I know 22 languages, sir. 22. I know Hindi well. Small thing for me. You speak in Hindi. I can understand.
Okay, sir. Sir, actually हम लोग शिफ्ट कर गए हैं खुला हॉल ऑफ रेजिडेंस, बट सर वहाँ के एकेडमिक में टाइम लग सकता है, बट आवर सर बेसिक नीड्स सर, वाटर, सैनिटेशन, एक्वागार्ड में पानी आ रहा है और लैब में पानी जा रहा है, ये सर क्या सर? सर मतलब एक्वागार्ड में पानी आना चाहिए बट आ नहीं रहा है सर। जहाँ पे पानी नहीं आना चाहिए सर वहाँ पे पानी आ रहा है सर, लैब से पानी टपक रहा है सर।
हाँ डीएसडी मैडम ये क्या बोल रहा है, इसको कुछ बोलिए।
Sir, we are doing aquatic thing. I have seen there are many aquatics in every department. About water, actually, sir, water supply is coming from that system academic, sir. Yes, sir, that water system is coming from blah blah company. So water is coming very lately, sir. So after 5, water is coming properly.
So what it is small problem.
सर बेसिक नीड्स सर और वाटर सर।
बेसिक नीड अगर पानी पीना है अपने हॉस्टल को नहीं जा सकते, छतु ओनली 100 मीटर फ्रॉम यूनिवर्सिटी, पानी पीना है 2 मिनट जाओ ऑटो पकड़ा फिर जाओ।
सर पानी के लिए सर
क्यों सारे कैसे वॉशरूम नहीं है हमारे हॉस्टल में, छतु में है, बांचीची में है, विशाखा में है, सब में है।
क्या बेटा तुम चल भी नहीं सकते, मैं भाग जाऊंगा इधर से। हाँ तो उसका प्रॉब्लम हो गया है। Where is that girl's representative? अभी दिमाग। Where is that girl's representative?
Good evening, sir. Sir, actually, I'm from Tihar Adha Hall of Residence, and we are shifting to Khoini Hall of Residence, sir. There is really big problem in that, sir. Actually, वहाँ पानी नहीं है, security नहीं है, male workers are working there, sir. Sir, it's really bad, you know.
Yes, जी मैडम, अभी इसको भी समझाओ।
Sir, about male workers, I cannot get it. हम women workers भी रख लेंगे, पर our Odia men are very good. They are very good. They will not be doing things with you. And I have personally visited, sir, that Khoini hostel, and I see that I have put some movable grills. Safety, very safety for the girls.
Sir, water का क्या?
Water, sir, we are providing tankers. If not possible tankers, they can go to Visakha hostel and do bathing.
सर बाथिंग ठीक है सर, हमेशा तो पॉसिबल नहीं है ना।
वो तो हमेशा पॉसिबल नहीं है। I will personally talk to the warden of Visakha hostel.
लेकिन सर सिक्योरिटी का क्या? अब बच्चा प्रॉब्लम। See, I was in NCC. I will become the security guard. DSD madam, what are these papers, these permissions, all rubbish things?
Yes, sir. Some hostel girls had come to give me this permission. By the way, which hostel? Visakha. Yeah, Visakha. Are you telling? Yes. What? Visakha. Say it loudly. Visakha. Okay, Visakha hostel. Sir, they have come with a proposal actually. What is your proposal?
Ma'am, we want the end time to be increased to 8 p.m.
8 p.m. sir. They are telling for 8 p.m.
अरे, if it is for college purpose or any drug, then it is okay.
But sir, you are not understanding, sir. 8 p.m. any girl walking on the dark night and dark roads, sir, can you understand? If a boy picks up a gun, then all will blame us.
Ma'am, that is true. Ma'am, actually we are facing fine problems. So if we reach even 1 minute late, we are being imposed with fine. Different varieties of fine for nothing.
Obviously we want fine. Our college is having lack of money. We need fine. So we are imposing fines.
Sir, but
many of the hostels don't have land proper. And we don't have library facilities also.
So we need to use that facility. CIF, central workshop, library.
Sir, see, Teachers' Day is coming and they have got so many signatures. What I am thinking, sir, let us give them permission for 8 PM till 3 weeks. Then after, we will tell security issues and bring that permission back.
Yeah, that is good idea.
Okay. Listen, student. Everything is Mohammed. 8 PM is also Mohammed. But don't worry. We will always see your welfare only. So, it will be done. I promise you, it will be done.
Okay, ma'am, but when can we get
How many questions are you asking, huh?
Sir, no, we just wanted the time because...
What is this? We told you we will give. What is your branch? What is your name?
Double E, ma'am, branch.
What is your CGP?
9.57.
Who is the teacher who gave you such marks? Bloody fellow, Bhadras.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, actually I'm here to represent the Baha SAE of our university. Sir, actually we are going for a national event at Chennai. So we want permission, sir.
Okay, how many are going?
Sir, 22.
22 22. Are you fellow? You come. What is the problem?
Good evening, sir. Sir, actually, I am the captain of our cricket team. For cricket tour in Jharsuguda.
What? Is this a cultural university or academic university? All are going here, there, everyone manmarzi, huh? Now, if I got foreign call, I will be always outside. Then the office will be turned deserted, huh? Then what will happen to the university? Now, how many people are going SA Baha?
Sir, actually 22.
22, huh? 4 can go now?
But sir, all the 22 members are specialized in different sectors.
This is the problem. Can 4 be specialized in all these areas?
Sir, how can 4 be special? 4
And you, cricket, how many are going?
11.
How many bats you have?
3.
3 bats, 11 members are. You can take 6 or 7 members now?
So the cricket team, obviously we need 3.
Wait, shut up. Now let me think about it. And don't eat my brains, okay? For this all silly reasons. Go, I will see the matter.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, my roll number...
Yeah. What roll number?
Ma'am, my paper, I have got only 3 marks out of 5, but...
Then you must have done some mistake.
No, ma'am, it's completely correct.
Okay, wait, let me correct that. What is your roll number again?
Ma'am, 27835. Ma'am,
See.
Yeah, ma'am, this is completely correct. This numerical is correct.
This is correct?
Yes, ma'am.
You should write it as 1 plus 0.5 equals to 1.5. How could you directly write it as 1.5?
But ma'am, for that it is...
No, it is wrong.
Ma'am, it's 2 marks.
2 marks, don't you get it? Impression would I have on the HOD?
Ma'am,
Listen, don't mess with me, okay?
Ma'am, but I made it, ma'am. I have written it correctly, ma'am. Okay, then I won't sign.
You won't sign?
No.
Are you forgetting? You are about to appear your semester examination and I will be evaluating your copy.
Ma'am, but it's the rule.
So don't try to mess with me.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry.
What the? Problems after problems after problems. Now, who is Shida?
Good evening, sir. My name is XYZ. I am from Visakha Hostel. Sir, I have got only 3 out of 5 in political behavior paper. So just because I wrote 1.5 directly instead of 1 plus 0.5, 2 marks was deducted. And after all, sir, there are 55 backlogs in this particular paper. This is a huge issue.
55. It is very small. Chala chinna. 55 compared to 3,000 students is very small. Let's see. Now, sir, what do you want to say?
Sir, I will talk to the respective madam. In fact, she is present right now. But I must mention, our teachers are very cooperative and highly qualified. They even call the students personally to their cabins to clear their doubts. Political behavior, madam? You also teach biology, right?
Yes, sir. I also teach biology over here. But sir, I will tell you about this 55 bags people are talking about. This is total shit, sir. The thing study, they don't take political behavior subject as a serious subject. They will just roam around. And how can they secure good marks? You tell me. It is not my fault, sir. It is totally their fault. And apart from this, sir, we are having biology subject. You must be knowing how biology is important for an engineer. Without having the biology subject, an engineer is not called an engineer. When a company comes, they will definitely see to it that the person has qualified the biology paper. So, sir, I am nowhere wrong here. Students are totally wrong, sir. I can't help it.
Sir, we have some other problems too. Sir, in classrooms we don't have proper lighting systems or fans. These are not available. How will we come to the class like this?
Where is the Dean Academic, sir? Arey, sir, tell her, sir.
Sir, I have personally visited every classroom. Everything is perfect, sir. Except for some rooms. I will look into it, sir, within 2 to 3 days.
That is the problem, sir. Sir, what happens? They do not know anything. They do not learn anything. But what happens when you get back? They lock the gate, not allow anyone to go outside, not allow anyone to come outside, and do strike. This is the behavior of a university student. Is this the behavior of a university student? Tell me, sir. This is completely outrageous behaviors are going on over here. This university has been running for 100 years and more. Why? Because these actions were not there before.
Stop blabbering. Hey, you think this is a fish market, huh? Fish market, huh? See, say something. First raise your hand, then speak. Don't speak like this, huh? Now maintain silence and speak.
उस मीटिंग में कुछ ऐसे भी लोग मौजूद थे जो शुरुआत से अंत तक सोए हुए थे। तो ये आप सबने देखा कि कैसे ब्यूरोक्रेसी को एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का नाम दिया जा रहा है, कैसे रूल्स और पावर के नाम और दम पे एक रैंडम यूनिवर्सिटी के रैंडम स्टूडेंट्स पे रैंडम अथॉरिटीज अपना रैंडम डिसीजंस थोपते जा रहे हैं। सारे वाइस कैंसलर्स आके बोलते हैं, आई एम नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द डिसीजंस टेकन बाय माय प्रीवियस वाइस कैंसलर। अगर सारे वाइस कैंसलर्स यही बोलते गए तो स्टूडेंट्स तो फंस गए डेडलॉक में। ना मांगे पूरी होंगी और ना ही बदलाव आएगा। तो आप ही बताइए कि ये बेचारे स्टूडेंट्स क्या करें। सो कमेंट, लाइक एंड शेयर, और हाँ, हमारे वेबसाइट को भी विजिट कीजिएगा www.humkuchbhikarrahehain.com। थैंक यू।